Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. This video is very special for students and officials. Watch complete video if you want to avoid any kind of embarrassment while sending email to your boss, to your teacher. In this video, I will show you how to recall sent email to any wrong person or any wrong email sent to a right person. After watching this video, you will be able to recall your sent wrong email. If you are new to our channel Ilmisense, please subscribe and like the video if you like it and share it with your family and friends to avoid the embarrassment regarding email. Let's start our video. Firstly, open the Gmail account which you have and go to the setting. On the top right corner you are seeing setting. Click on the setting button and now click on the see all settings. A new window will open in front of you. Scroll down and you will see many options. A very important option regarding our video, undo send. Here you are watching send cancellation period 5 seconds. It's mean you can undo your email within a 5 seconds. You can increase it with 30 seconds if you set it to 30 seconds and save changes. Now when you send any wrong email or a right email to a wrong person, you can undo within a 30 seconds. Your time is increased 5 seconds to 30 seconds. This is very useful method. If you set it to 30 seconds, you can save yourself with embarrassment. Now we will demonstrate. I will compose email. And send and open the stopwatch and start it. You will see here till 30 seconds this option will be available for you to undo the message. After 30 seconds your message, your email will send to the given email address. "30 seconds is over and the option is disappeared." I hope you understand this video's importance. If you like it, please like and share with your family and friends. Keep watching Ilmisense. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.